Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in today's video we'll be discussing some of the most important current affairs of the topic important days of July month. The video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, let's start with our video, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state-wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start with the important days and their themes of the June 2021. On 1st of June, we observe Global Day of Parents, and the theme for the year 2021 is appreciate all parents throughout the world. And I will be telling you which are the important days from this June month. So do take a note of them particularly because there is a high chance of few days that can be asked in your exam. Second is your World Milk Day, and the theme for the World Milk Day is sustainability in the dairy sector. Then on 3rd of June we observe World Bicycle Day. There was no theme for this. 4th of June we observe International Day of Innocent Child Victims of Aggression. Most important of June, 5th of June, we observe World Environment Day. Do take a note of it. World Environment Day, and the theme for the year 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Alright, the host country for 2021 in World Environment Day is Pakistan. Do take a note of this also. Who is the host country for the 2021 World Environment Day? It is your Pakistan, and the theme for the 2021 World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. 2 questions from this. Next is your World Day Against Speciesism. All right, next is your On 5th of June, we also observe International Day for the fight against illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing. UN has declared the year 2022 as the International Year of the Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. Do take a note of this also. Which year was declared by UN as the International Year of the Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture? It was the year 2022. 6th of June is observed as UN Russian Language Day. 6th of June is also observed as World Pest Day. 7th of June we observe World Food Safety Day, and the theme for the World Food Safety Day for the year 2021 is Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow. You should take a note of all these. Just watching the video and listening to what I'm saying won't be enough. If you won't take a note and you won't revise this particular notes after this video is over, then it won't be useful to you. I'm telling you friends, because I have experience in this. Learning comes when you revise things again and again. All right. On 8th of June, we observe World Ocean Day, and the theme is the ocean life and livelihoods. One more thing, after these important days are there, then I'll be taking or I will be revising you few important days of other months also, because they are also important and have high chance of being asked. On 8th of June, we observe World Brain Tumor Day, and on 8th of June, we also observe World Ocean Day. That is the theme for the World Ocean Day is the ocean life and livelihood. Next is your World Accreditation Day. Accreditation supporting the implementation of the Sustainable Development Goals is the theme for the World Accreditation Day, that is observed on 9th of June. On 12th of June, we observe World Day Against Child Labor, and the theme is Act Now End Child Labor. This is also important. Alright, which article is related to child labor? It's your Article 23. Alright, or Article 24. And if I talk to you about forced labor, Article is 23. Alright, don't get confused. Article 23 is for forced labor, and article for the child labor is Article 24. Alright, and article, if we talk about 25, comes to religion. If I talk to you about Uniform Civil Code, article is Article 44. And if I talk to you about article related to tax, the article is Article 27. Alright, and what is the title article related to titles? It is Article 18. Alright, moving on. Coming back to important days only. World Day Against Child Labor is on 12th of June, and the theme is Act Now End Child Labor, and the article related to child labor is your Article 24, and for forced labor it is your Article 23. Moving on 13th of June, we observe International Albinism Awareness Day, and the theme is Strength Beyond All Odds. On 14th of June, we observe World Blood Donor Day, and the theme is, first you should know the slogan for this World Blood Donor Day. It is Give Blood and Keep the World Beating, and the host country for the World Blood Donor Day for the year 2021 is Rome, Italy. Remember, Italy country. Alright, that is on 14th of June. This is also important. Next, on 15th of June, we observe World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, and it is Access to Justice is the theme for the World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. There is also a chance of this question being asked, because as we see in Corona, all the elderly people were mostly affected, and due to that reason, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, it can be important and asked. It is on 15th of June. Access to Justice is the theme. On 15th of June, we also observe Global Wind Day. Next is your 16th of June. On 16th of June, we observe International Day of Family Remittance, and the theme for the day is Recovery and Resilience through Digital and Financial Inclusion. On 17th of June, we observe World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. Important, very important. Alright, do mark it. World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is observed on 17th of June, and the theme for the day is Restoration Land Recovery. We build back better with healthy land. Then on 18th of June, we observe Autistic Pride Day. On 18th of June, we observe Sustainable Gastronomy Day. Alright, next. On 19th of June, we observe International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. On 19th of June, we also observe World Sickle Cell Day. National is your important one, that is your 19th of June. We observe National Reading Day. that is observed. Who observed this National Reading Day? It is observed by CBSE to honor the father of library movement in Kerala. Alright, question can be asked, what is the reason behind celebrating the National Reading Day? It is, first of all, it is observed by CBSE and it is to honor the father of the library movement in Kerala, who is late P.N. Panikkar, whose death anniversary falls on 19th June, and to honor him, to honor late P.N. Panikkar, who is also known as the father of the library movement in Kerala, CBSE observes 19th June as your National Reading Day. Then on 20th of June, we observe World Refugee Day. This is also important. And Together We Heal, Learn and Shine is the theme for World Refugee Day. Most important is your 21st of June, that is your International Day of Yoga, and the theme is most important, that is your Yoga for Well-being. Do remember this theme. Yoga for Well-being is the theme of your International Day of Yoga. Next is your World Music Day. This is also celebrated on 21st of June, and World Hydrography Day is also observed on 21st of June, and the theme for the World Hydrography Day is 100 years of international cooperation in hydrography. Moving on 21st of June, we also observe World Humanistic Day. Alright, the important day from the 21st is your just International Day of Yoga and World Music Day, that are observed on 21st of June. Moving on 23rd of June, we observe United Nations Public Service Day, and the theme was Innovating the Future Public Service, New Government Models for a New Era to Reach the Sustainable Development Goals. Next is your 23rd, we observe International Olympic Day, and the theme is Stay Healthy, Stay Strong, Stay Active with the Olympic Day workout on 23rd of June. Direct question can be asked, when is Olympic Day celebrated? When is International Olympic Day observed? It is your 23rd of June. And on 23rd of June, we also observe International Widows Days, for the theme of which is Invisible Women, Invisible Problems. Alright, do mark this. This is also important. International Widows Day. Next is your, we just saw this, next is your Passport Seva Divas. This is observed on 24th of June. On 25th of June, we observe Day of the Seafarer, and the theme is Seafarers at the Core of Shipping's Future. Alright, important. Day of the Seafarer observed on 25th of June, and on 25th of June, we also observe World Vitiligo Day 2021. On 26th of June, we observe International Day Against Drug and Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, and it is observed on and the theme for this is Share Fact on Drugs, Save Lives. Alright, we just saw, let me ask you again, when is child labor? What is the article related to? See, there are two. One is child labor and one is your forced labor. Alright, the article for child labor is 24 because these are important, and article for forced labor is article 23. Moving on. Next is your 26th of June, International Day in the Support of Victims and Torture. 27th of June is celebrated as Micro, Small and Medium Sized Enterprises Day, that is your MSME Day, and the theme is Key to an Inclusive and Sustainable Recovery. Alright, 29th of June is observed as National Statistics Day. This is important, and the theme is End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improve Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture. Alright, I repeat, this is the Sustainable Development Goal of the UN, that is your Sustainable Development Goal 2, and the theme is End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improve Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture, and it is the National Statistics Day, that is observed on 29th of June. On 29th of June, we also observe International Day of the Tropics, and on the 30th of June, we observe International Asteroid Day, or this is also known as the Asteroids Day only. Alright, it is observed on 30th of June. Let us once revise the important ones again so that it will be beneficial to you. First is your Global Day of Parents. Appreciate all parents through the world is your theme. On 1st of June, we observe World Milk Day, and on 3rd of June, we observe World Bicycle Day. International Day of the Innocent Child Victims of Aggression is observed on 4th of June. Then the most important one is your World Environment Day, that is observed on 5th of June, and the theme is Ecosystem Restoration. And this year, that is in 2021, the host country for the World Environment Day is Pakistan. Then the another important one is International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing, and Also, the year 2022 has been declared by the UN as the International Year of the Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. Moving on. Next is your World Food Safety Day. It is observed on 7th of June. On 8th of June, we observe World Oceans Day. On 8th of June, we also observe World Brain Tumor Day. Then comes on 12th of June, we observe World Day Against Child Labor. For the child labor article is Article 24, and for the forced labor the article is Article 23. Then on 14th of June, we observe World Blood Donor Day. Alright, and the slogan is give blood and keep the world beating. Host country will be Italy for the year 2021. Then come your 17th of June, on which we observe World Day to combat desertification and drought. Theme is restoration, land recovery. We build back better with healthy land. Next is your World Sickle Cell Day, that is observed on 19th of June, and the important one is 19th of June we observe National Reading Day. Alright, this day is observed by CBSE to honor the father of the library movement in Kerala known as late P.N. Panikkar, whose death anniversary falls on 19th of June. So to honor his death anniversary, National Reading Day is observed on 19th of June. Then comes on 20th of June your World Refugee Day. The theme is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. Then on 21st of June, another most important day of this month is International Yoga Day. It is observed on 21st of June, and the theme is Yoga for Well-Being. On 21st of June also we observe World Music Day. Then coming to your 23rd of June, we observe International Widows Day. Theme is Invisible Women, Invisible Problems. Do remember this. On 23rd of June, we also observe International Olympic Day. Theme is Stay Healthy, Stay Strong, Stay Active with the Olympic Day Workout 2020 on 23rd of June. Then on 25th of June, we observe the Day of Seafarer, and the theme is Seafarers at the Core of the Shipping Future. Then comes your International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, that is observed on 26th of June, and the theme is Share Facts on Drugs and Save Lives. Then coming to the last two important, they are 29th of June, that is your National Statistics Day, and the theme is End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improve Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture. And the last is your 30th of June, that is your International Asteroids Day. So these are your important days of the June. Now let's talk about few other important days. First, when is Environment Day? We just saw it is observed on 5th of June. Then when is your World Wildlife Day celebrated? World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd of March. This is very important. Alright. If I talk to you about Wildlife Protection Act, when did it came? It came in 1972. If I talk to you about Forest Conservation Act, when did it start? It came in 1980. I'll be telling you in chronicle order. All right. First wildlife, then forest. Then we thought we should protect environment first. Then Environment Protection Act came. It came in 1986, and then in last it came one more was there, that is your Air Pollution Act, that came in 1981. All right. Wildlife Protection Act in 1972, Forest Conservation in 1980, then came your Air Pollution Act in 1981, and then Environment Act in your 1986. So Wildlife Day is observed on 3rd of March. Moving on. International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed on, when is this observed? This is your homework. All right. International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on, this is your homework. Then we just saw International Yoga Day. When it is observed? It is observed on 21st of June. And the last two questions for the day is, first is your National Science Day. It is observed on 28th of February, that is your National Science Day. And then is your National Sports Day. When is National Sports Day? It is on 29th of August. 28th February is National Science Day, and your National Sports Day is your 29th of August. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. All right, so that's all for the day. Take care.